Today I'm going to read you the book called Please Do Not Sneeze. Anina was on the beach with Wolf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Wolf had a frisbee. Catch, he called. Mind the people. Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. The children were lost. We can't see Mommy and Daddy, said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the lost children hunt. We'll wait with you until your mommy comes, said Anina. Let me tell you a story, said Anina. In a far off land, there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophia. The problem was her sneeze. She has a loud sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying funny things like cheesy feet or stinky socks. Very funny things. People said Sophia was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me a cheesy feet. The queen was cross with Sophia. You need better manners, she said. What a cheek. Mossy teeth. Sophia sneezed into her handkerchief. Mossy teeth. Even the king was cross with Sophia. Hunt, hunt, he said. You're a bad girl. Sophia sneezed harder and harder. I do not mean to be bad, said Sophia, but when I sneeze, people think I am shouting at them. Sophia was so unhappy that she ran off. She ran deep into the forest, but soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. I'll rest my head on these leaves, she said, and soon she fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night to her relief. She did not sneeze at all. Sophia sat up with a start. A fiddle mouse and an owl and a donkey were looking at her. You must be the sneezing princess, said the little mouse. Yes, I am, said Sophia, but out here in the forest, I did not sneeze at all. People sneeze a lot, said the donkey. There's too much dust in their houses. Too much dust. The king and the queen ran up. Sophia, said the king, we have found you. What a relief. We must get rid of the dust. Just then, Charlie saw his mommy. Charlie, Lily, she said, I've found you. What a relief. We did like the story, said Lily. Did Sophia stop sneezing? What do you think? asked Anina. Yes, if they did the dust thing.